How to fix computers restarting or shutting down while playing Overwatch 2. First off, the company is currently investigating an issue with computers restarting or shutting down while playing Overwatch 2. And here are some possible solutions. 1. Ensure your CPU is not overloading. If so, end some unused processes or apps via WTM. Additionally, install some CPU temp monitor tools and install water cooler if you can. Note: for low-end PC users, undo any overclocking in your hardware and upgrade your hardware if you can consider adding RAM. 2. Install all available AU2 updates. 3. Update both your device drivers and graphic drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Contact battle.net. Support: send the local XDIG report to the devs team.